Good day to everyone. Today's topic is eruption times of permanent teeth. So at the end of this video, I make sure that everyone remember the sequence of eruption time of permanent teeth. I have uploaded the popular video of mine regarding the eruption time of primary teeth. Kindly check on that. And now coming to this eruption of permanent teeth, we all know there are totally 32 teeth, 8 teeth in each quadrant, starting from the central incisors till the third molars. So first of all, I would like to give you a tip regarding the sequence of eruption, which tooth comes first and later. So first of all, the first molar will come, later incisors will come, then canines will not come, rather premolars will come, and later only canine and second molar and third molar. Again I am saying the sequence is first molar, central incisor, lateral incisor, first premolar, second premolar, canine, second molar and third molar. So in this sequence I am going to write it here also. Okay, so sequence starts from the first molar 6 and then central incisor, third tooth to come, and the fourth tooth to come is the premolar, and fifth is second premolar, and sixth is canine, and then only you will get the second and the third molar. So this is the sequence. Okay, before going into the detail of maxillary and mandibular, first I will say certain few tips. Like, we all know that the first molar will be erupting at the age of 6 to 7 years. Okay, so the same, and then the third molars, the first tooth is 6 to 7 and the last tooth to erupt is 17 to 21. For maxillary and mandibular teeth, this eruption time is the same. Okay, same. But I will just, from the sequence, this is the first tooth to erupt, 6 to 7 months. The next tooth is the central incisor, second tooth which is coming out. Just add 1 month to it and then you write. That is 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 9. Then canine will not come. Okay, 10 to 11, 10 to 12, then canine, 11 to 12, then second molar, that is 12 to 13 and 17 to 21. You know the sequence of the tooth as well as starting from 6 to 7 months till 21 years. So 6 to 7 years. So this sequence you know, 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 9, canine you skip, and then 10 to 11, 10 to 12, then 11 to 12, then 13 to 12 to 13, then 17 to 21. So this you know. So now mandibular you have to determine. For this I will give you 2 tips. Okay, as I already said, same timing for the maxilla and mandible for the first molar and the third molar. That's what I said, 6 to 7 months, 6 to 7 years, 6 to 7 years. Here also 17 to 21 years, 17 to 20. So same years the maxilla and mandible are erupting. Okay, for the first molar and the third molar. Okay, next, all the mandibular teeth except erupt earlier. All the mandibular teeth erupt earlier except premolars. Okay, that is, this premolars will, maxillary premolars will erupt earlier than the mandibular. This is the exception. All the teeth except the premolars, the mandibular teeth erupt first. Okay, few months earlier than the maxillary teeth. But premolars, the maxillary premolar erupt earlier than the mandibular premolars. Okay, so these are the premolars. So I am just leaving these area. Okay, but other what I told, all the mandibular teeth erupt earlier than the maxillary. So if it's 7 to 8, then this will be 7 to 6, 6 to 7. This is 8 to 9, so earlier 7 to 8. And this is 11 to 12. This is 9 to 10. And this I am leaving it because this is an exception. And 11 to 12, earlier than the maxilla. Okay, and then everything is alright. So we left the exception, that is the premolar. What we told, the maxillary premolar erupt earlier than the mandibular premolar. So this will erupt earlier, so this will come late. So when you add, you have to subtract here, but you have to add a month. Okay, that is 10 to 12 years year, and 11 to 12 years. So this is the eruption sequence of permanent teeth. You know the sequence, as I told, first molar, incisor, premolar, canine, and the second and third molar, and also same time for the maxillary, mandibular, first molars, and the third molars. And one more rule, the mandibular teeth erupt earlier. So can you see, this is earlier, this is earlier, this is earlier, but premolars are the exception. That is, this maxillary are earlier than the mandibular for the both the premolars. And then this is same, this is also earlier, this is same. So first premolar and the second are same, and this, which is earlier, mandible is earlier. Okay, mandible is earlier, mandible is earlier, mandible is earlier. Here mandibular is later and mandibular is later. Okay, so this is the overall view of eruption time of permanent teeth. If you like the video, kindly subscribe for the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.